Do you have dark circles, and do you suffer a lot with them? Dark circles are a common issue among men and women. They are usually associated with poor sleep and crying and give off the impression of tiredness. However, some dark circles are also a genetic issue. Have you ever noticed how the eyes are a remarkable point in a person's face? Many times, dark circles end up drawing even more attention to us. The deep marks have a brown or purple color and appear under the eyes, thanks to the high melanin levels or due to the congestion of capillary vessels around the eyes. Other factors such as allergies, tiredness, skin aging, excess sun exposure, and environmental damages can aggravate dark circles. There are some daily care steps necessary to reduce the tired aspect of your eyes. Did you know that? See now 3 homemade treatments to lessen or get rid of your dark circles naturally. Papaya and milk paste. An unusual method to lessen dark circles and eye bags is papaya and milk paste. Combine half a papaya with 3.4 ounces of milk until it becomes a paste. Apply over the area and let it act for 15 minutes. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Clay mask. Another tip is to use a clay facial mask. Clay is incredible to treat your dark circles thanks to its detoxifying properties. In this case, choose black clay, which reduces the swelling and improves blood circulation in the area. Make a paste with some clay and water. Apply it under the eyes. Be careful to not let the clay touch your lashes and eyes. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and remove with warm water. Isn't it nice? Mint tea cold compress. Another great natural medicine for dark circles is mint tea. It helps rejuvenate the skin and improves blood circulation in the area, lessening the dark pigmentation and the swelling. Make a mint tea and put it in the freezer until it is cold. Soak a cotton pad in the tea and make a compress for 15 minutes. As you can see, all you need is a little bit of attention to the area, and before you even notice, your eyes will be glowing again. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.